You cannot fix that which is broken. You will not be able to fix a broken soul, a broken man, a broken person. Leave those projects, those fixer-uppers alone. Fix yourself by removing yourself from such situation. There is no way in which you can fix someone unless that person wants to fix themselves. So, stop being a project manager to fix people and fix yourself. What is it that you're seeking? What is it that you're wanting? Why do you want to fix this person, to create them into the image and the form as to who you want them to be? Ask yourself these few questions. Why do you choose this person? Why are you creating a project for yourself? Is it because you are too lazy to create that which you are desiring for yourself? Or is it that you want to be praised that you have brought this person into the existence, into the person that you're wanting them to become? My dear, stop becoming a project manager. Stop becoming a mommy. You are not anyone's mom or parent to be fixing, creating, restructuring anyone. Stop trying to create a foundation because this will not go well in your favor. Make sure to ask yourself the things that you need and create your list. And from that list, you will become each item or individual that you have listed for yourself. Or what you can do is fix yourself by removing yourself and adopt to someone else who is resonating with you, who is aligned with you for what it is that you are desiring. Become that change, the change that you want to see. Become that person, and you will not have to overwork yourself to the point of being a stressed individual that in turn would become imbalanced and unhealthy in both physically, mentally, and spiritually broken. Stop trying to fix people and fix yourself. No longer will you be a project manager. Stop taking on the responsibility of being a project fixer. Now, take care of yourself. Make sure to give yourself some love. Make that list. Journal your way through. Seek the aid of a therapist because there's a reason for you wanting to fix persons. And give yourself that love and the support that you need so that you can be your best higher self. Okay? Take care of yourself. If you need more content like this to help you on your healing journey, please subscribe to the channel for us to grow together while we create changes in our lives. Thanks for watching. Take care.